Hey YouTube, it's me, Not2123, with an easy, simple guide on how to set up your PSP, which is just installing a custom firmware, which you can add all these cool apps on it. I mean, they're all cool apps, and all you will need is a link in the description, a USB, and of course a PSP. It works on most versions of PSPs. The one I'm using is a 6.60. So after you download the link, you should extract the link from the download, and it should come up with these 4 folders: a Pro Update, C, IPL, Flasher, Flash Recovery, and SDK. After you get these folders, go plug your PSP into USB mode. Okay, now go to folder named PSP, then go into game folder. There's a copy of this. I'm out of this. Yeah, copy. Back to game and paste it. I already done it, so I won't be doing it again. Get out of that. So yeah, after do that, get out of USB and do what I do. Okay, and I'm back. Go into the game memory stick like this. Click on a Pro Update. I've already done it, and Remote Joy tends to freeze and stop when I click on Update. Yeah, when you got an update, there's click X. It says like press X to install custom firmware. After that, it should restart on your PSP and should look like this. If it doesn't, comment, and I'll try my best to help you. You know, if it's hacked, if it does this. So yeah, I hope this helped you with your problems. I'm not sure what this can do. All I know is they put on apps, and I think it could read ISO games, as in you could drag ISO games on your PSP to play them, but I haven't tried it, but I can't find any games that I like. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and there's an update. Please visit my website and my blog. Both other links will be in the description as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. See you guys next time. Bye.